Good morning guys. So we are here at Terminal 2 sa NAIA and we are going to Cebu. It's actually a work trip and sumabit lang ako sa bestie ko. I'm with April and later mamimit nyo siya ulit. And ayun, ang aga namin, it's only 3 a.m. and 6 a.m. pa yung flight. So tara, mag-check-in muna tayo and mag-drop ng baggage. Guys, medyo mahaba yung pila when we arrive, pero fast-moving naman siya. So guys, we are at the boarding gates na. Ang bilis lang naman ng security. Wala naman tayong dadaan ng immigration dahil local destination lang naman tayo. So ayun, medyo matagal pa yung paghihintay namin dito. So siguro mag-coffee and kumain tayo later. And ayun, update you kapag boarding na. Guys, we are boarding na. Ang aga nila nagpa-board. So guys, we made it here in Cebu and naghihintay lang kami ng baggage ni April and then punta na kami sa hotel to drop our bags and then mag-coffee or mag-breakfast tayo somewhere. So ayun guys, parang ang dami ng changes dito sa airport. And pagdating nyo here sa may parang arrivals bay, maraming nag-o-offer ng mga taxi or ng car transfer. Mag-book na lang kayo ng Grab. Mas mura. So guys, we already made it here at Big Hotel in Mandaue and surprisingly, ang laki ng room kahit nasa around 2.5 lang siya per night. Good for 2 persons na. And then, ayun, siguro medyo bad impression lang kasi pagbaba namin ng cab, walang nag-assist sa akin, ang bigat-bigat ng luggage ko. Pero nabawi rin naman agad ng front desk. Tapos pinag-early check-in niya kami. So, ayun, shout out kay Miss Rhea. Thank you so much. Kahit 8 a.m. pa lang, ayun, binigyan na niya kami ng room. So, makakapag-power nap kami ni April before kami lumaban at umaura later sa New Star. So, ayun guys, mag-room tour na tayo. So, ayun guys, pagpasok pa lang, bungad sa inyo itong parang, ayan, yung hangers where you can put your clothes and merong bath towels dito. Merong included na 2 toothbrush. And yung bathroom nila is basic lang, guys. Ayan. Faucet, may bidet. And ayan, may heater. And ito, pinag-isa na nila. Shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Talaga ba? And ito na yung bed, guys. Twin beds. This is a deluxe room. And ayan, merong work desk dito. Ayan yung chair, ginagamit ni April. And merong glasses, cups. And I think may water dispenser sila kasi may picture dito. Ano to? Alam. And then, ayun, merong chair doon. Meron tayong city view. And ito yung aircon nila guys. Pero malamig naman siya. And of course, may TV. And may hair dryer dito guys. Perfect. And meron ding almost full-length mirror for your OOTDs or fit checks. And that's it for our very quick room tour guys. Ayan, April, say hi to the vlog. And ayan, magpa-power nap lang kami guys para marami tayong energy para chumika at mag-vlog later. So, I will see you guys later. So guys, ito yung room service menu nila. And ayun, before kami mag-sleep ni April, nagutom kami guys. So, ayun, napa-room service kami kaagad. And ayun, quick breakfast lang. And pakita ko sa inyo yung in-order namin. So, ayan guys, hindi ko alam kung alin dyan yung chicken sandwich. Ano yung isa be? Yung in-order mo?
Tuna melt sandwich.
Tuna melt. And ayun. Pero ang bango, as in. And nag-ano kami ng blueberry cheesecake. Nag-order kami. Share na lang kami dyan sa dessert. So, ayun. Let's eat, guys. Hello, guys. So, ayun. Napasarap yung tulog natin. And it's past 4 PM na. Ngayon pa lang kami lalabas ng bestie ko. And ayun. Ang comfy ng bed here at Big Hotel. So, ayun. Later na ako chichika. And magbubuk na kami ng Grab. And papunta na tayo sa first destination natin. Here in Cebu. We're already here at New Star Mall and grabe, parang super high-end. And ang ganda ng structure guys, it's typically what you could expect from a casino hotel / mall. Very opulent and aesthetic ng structures or ng interiors pala. Guys, we are here sa food hall nila wherein maraming affordable na kainan or dining options. And nag-decide kami na itry yung Bangkok Kitchen since mahilig kami ni April sa Thai food. And then, additional orders kami from yung katabi niyang stall na buffalo breads na parang mga chicken, ganyan. So, ayun, let's see kung masarap yung food. Nandito na yung food guys, so let's eat. So guys, we are here at Philly Lobby Lounge and ang ganda ng vibe, very cozy, very 5-star hotel ang feels, ganyan. And basic lang yung coffee nila, it's decent naman. We ordered iced Spanish latte and yung pastry and cake selection nila mukhang promising, so itry na natin. Hello guys, so we are back in the hotel na and I can say na worth checking out naman yung New Star Resort and Casino here in Cebu. And yun, na-enjoy naman namin yung lunch namin kanina na Thai food and yung chicken wings and yung coffee and dessert sa Philly Lobby Lounge. Okay din naman siya and I think worth it naman sa price and okay yung service nila. So ayun, very aesthetic nung place. So ayun, kung gusto niyo ng somewhere nice to have your photos taken, I can say na i-try niyo siya puntahan. And nag-cab na lang kami pabalik dito sa Big Hotel. It's only 200 pesos. Sobrang mas mura compared sa Grab namin kanina na 350 pesos. So ayun. And may taxi bay naman. I mean, may line ng taxis nung paglabas namin. So ayun, nag-take na lang kami nun instead of Grab. So for now guys, mag-good night na ako sa inyo. And tomorrow, let's see kung ano yung mga magagawa natin. I have work tomorrow, so baka mag-cafe hopping lang tayo. So ayun, I will update you of course. And good night for now guys. Bye!